Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at something very cool. 1976 Jensen GT. GT stands for shooting brake, station wagon, long roof car as you want to call it. Little storage in the back. Very cool, very rare. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in our beautiful Jensen GT. We'll do a little cold start. Key on. Get some lights going here. Lock the choke. Lock the choke out. Got some fuel, got some oil pressure. Voltage meter is climbing. We'll warm her up and we will be back to you. All right, so we got a little temp in our Jensen GT. It's a 5-speed gearbox with a dogleg first. Dogleg means first gear is to the left and down, I should say. Handle's good, very responsive. Straight through exhaust. If you can't hear it when you're outside, you can definitely hear it. Great Lotus engine though. Lotus twin cam. Pulls really well. We're going to come up here to the S's and we're going to put her through her paces a little bit. Car with all the room you have for luggage, golf clubs, whatever you're into, plenty of room. Great Retrosound radio. It's really a lot of car for the money. Very affordable sports car, very usable sports car again, with all the room. It's got air conditioning, it's got a modern radio, great steering wheel. We're going to do some flybys here for you. Hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. I definitely did. It really is a cool little car. Great wood veneer. The interior has been restored, beautifully trimmed. The car obviously has been sympathetically restored. Paintwork is excellent. Edge compartments, nice and detailed. Great car. Plenty of room for your stuff again. Whatever you're into, golf, shooting, antiquing. Really a car you don't see often at all, since there were only about 500 of them made, let alone see them in this condition. We will come up here and we're going to open her up a little bit. All right, take her through the gears here a little bit. Pulls nicely. 5 gears, there's 4, we'll go up to the 5th. Overdrive for 5th, cruising speed, really nice and docile cruising. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, very rare, Jensen GT. Like and subscribe, comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. For watching, we'll catch you on the next one.